Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Sketchup Variable channel guys, and in this live session we will learn how to use soap skin bubble tutu. Okay, so this is one of the most useful plugin that you must have because this is a free of cost. You don't have to pay for this, and I will give the link in the description below guys, so you can download through that link. Okay, so soap skin bubble are very easy to use actually. So here you can see that I have you created the model using this bubble. So how to use it, we will discuss today. Okay, so let's start. So first you can see that I have created this using a two line. So how to do it? First you have to create a single loop line like that. You can see that this is the edges of this 3D model. So first I'm going to create this. First I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, like that, and then going to click line tool, or you can directly use a arc tool. Okay, to create a surface like that. Okay, so first select 2 point and then move in a blue axis. Okay, then click. Okay, so now I need only this one and this one. Okay, so I need to delete this. Just press E and delete this line. Okay, now we have a this closed loop line. Okay, so what we'll have to do now guys, you have to select the entire model. Okay, and then click on a skin toolbar. Okay, after clicking over the here you can see this kind of surface are generated. Okay, so here at this point you can see there is a division is showing. You can increase the number of division by typing just like that, 20, 30, 50, just like that. Okay, so I am going to type 20 here. Okay, or a 10 here. Okay, and then you have to click on a enter button on your keyboard. So now it's perfectly generated these surfaces over this loop line. Okay, now there is another two options over here. You can see that this is the XY and this is the bob. So both have a different function. So first you have to select the model. Okay, and then click on XY option. Basically this option will help you. You can see there, input the stress ratio x upon y. Okay, 0.01 to 100. So this option will help you to increase the stress in your 3D surface. Okay, so I am going to type 2. Okay, you can see this is a stress a little bit in this direction, and I'm going to type 3 and then enter. You can see how this radius ratio is developing a stress. Okay, now again another option that is called a bob. When you will click here, it will show you to increase or decrease the pressure over this surface. Okay, so this is the pressure. You have to just type here. I'm going to type 3, and you can see the changes over here guys. When you will type in -10, it will uh, produce a pressure like that, and when you will type 10, it will produce a pressure like that. So totally upon you how you want to make it. Okay, I'm going to type 20. So now you can see this is the decreasing. This is just developing a pressure at this point. Now again I'm going to x upon y options and going to uh, decrease the stress. I'm going to type 1. Okay, so this is the method to use this plugin. Okay, so using this method you can create some cool models like that. Suppose you have a rectangle. Okay, you want to create a surface like that, just like that. I'm going to show you uh, just like that. Okay, so just I need to delete this and going to copy at this point. Okay, again going to draw a arc over here guys. Not good. You have to lock the blue axis. Okay, just click over this point and this point and then press upper arrow key to lock blue axis. Okay, then click over here. Now I need to copy this just like pressing control over here, guys. Okay, and I'm going to delete all the faces. So if you want to create a surface over this void, then it's not possible without this plugin. Okay, then how it will work? Just you have to select the entire connected edges. Okay, for all curved edges. Okay, then again you have to click over here. Now you can see same again method is showing. You have to put the division over here. So I'm going to type 20. If you put more divisions, it will produce more smoother, but sometimes it will lag. Okay, so I'm typing 15 only, and then again pressing enter button. Now you can see it's how easy to create such kind of uh, simulation using this soap skin bubble. Okay guys, so this is the very perfect, actually it will really help you to create any kind of organic model. Okay, so guys, in next tutorial we will discuss how to create this kind of model that you are currently watching on your screen. So this model are basically produced using this soap skin bubble, guys. Okay, so in detail we will discuss. Before this tutorial you can try that kind of model, and you can submit on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so please share, subscribe and like my content. Thanks for watching and have fun. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Thank you.